from the station you count on for local news that matters. This is KARK 4 Today.
Good morning. 6:10 is your time right now. 50 for the Future is an Arkansas nonprofit organization established for the purpose of contributing funds to worthy organizations for the primary purpose of promoting economic growth right here in Pulaski County. Well, this morning we are talking with the CEO of Baptist Health, Troy Wells, this morning to learn more about this campaign that Baptist Health, along with many other hospitals, have launched. They actually launched this about last week. So, Troy, thanks so much for joining us here on KARK 4 Today. How are you doing this morning?
I'm great.
Good.
Being with you this morning.
Good. I want to talk to you a little bit about this campaign. This is something that we have never seen before here in Central Arkansas. Why is this so important?
Well, number one, it's important because you've got a lot of great collaboration. Having all the healthcare providers in Central Arkansas really come together, along with a great organization like 50 for the Future, Arkansas Blue Cross and Blue Shield. It just really shows how people in Arkansas work together, especially in a time like this. It's a great example of serving our community and doing it together.
Now, really, the purpose of this is to educate people at home. Do not neglect your health. Come to the hospital, get your regular screenings, get your wellness checks. What's the message you want to send out to people at home right now?
Well, that's a great point, and that is the purpose of the campaign. And, you know, a couple of things happened when COVID-19 struck and began showing up in Arkansas. You know, between hospitals starting to scale back on elective cases due to preserving personal protective gear and trying to make sure we had enough staff for any influx of really sick COVID patients, that caused people to stop coming into the hospital. But then also people started to make their own personal decision not to come in. And that concerned us when you've got so much chronic disease in Arkansas. You saw heart attacks not showing up in the emergency department and other chronic diseases that weren't being managed because people were afraid. So really what we're trying to do is educate people about the safety of our medical facilities and our clinics and all the precautions that we're taking to ensure their safety when they come to see us. And then to spread that message of don't neglect your care that you need. We're here to take care of our Kansans, and we're here to take care of you safely. And we've been doing that a long time, and we continue to do that. Yeah,
you guys have been saying that your hospitals have never been safer, especially during this pandemic. I want to touch on something else. I covered a story with Baptist Health several months ago about telemedicine, telehealth. This is something that you guys had in place before the pandemic started. So tell me a little bit about the importance of that, especially right now.
Well, it's been great, and it's been wonderful to see it take off. And to your point, you know, we had the technology and the infrastructure in place to do a lot of telehealth visits in the past, but people were slow to adopt using it, and this really accelerated that use. And so hopefully now that people have had a chance to experiment or to try virtual care, digital health care, as we call it sometimes, that people will continue to utilize that. And that's a great way that now if you are nervous about coming into a medical clinic or to an emergency department, at least please reach out and use the digital technology that we have and get seen by a healthcare provider.
All right, Mr. Wells, we appreciate your time. Wish we had more time to speak with you because we could talk all morning about this. Of course, we could put some more information about this campaign, things that you need to do to keep you safe during the pandemic and to make sure you get checked out at the hospital and get those wellness checks. You can go to KARK.com for the very latest. Troy, again, thanks so much.